welcome on board. Today we will do something new. We will do a review of a cruise ship, the Pullmantur Zenith. In front of the cruise ship there has been a big tent. This was meant for the check-in. As you can see here, people were waiting a long time to get to the check-in counter.
It has been such a beautiful day.
Here a view of the stairs of the ship. Welcome back to the 80s. It was good to see that there are enough emergency boats on the ship.
I'm waiting for the stars to show. I'm waiting for the fire.
Let's discover together the cabin I booked. The first impression of the cabin reminded me very much of an Ibis budget hotel.
Let's burn one down and slowly disappear.
The bed has been really comfortable.
Disappear.
Everything necessary was available, very tight, but clean.
Deep in the woods. Whoa, I've been searching as far as I could.
As always with the review videos, I was not paid for this video. Everything I tell here is my personal opinion. The room and the bathroom were clean. Unfortunately, there were only a couple of slightly broken items.
It doesn't matter now.
The bed has already its best years behind. Very annoying for me was that the safe was too small and I could not enter my 13-inch notebook into it.
East Coast for a holiday.
The staff could have replaced the brochure with the new and clean one.
The way she laughed. And those warm
Even if not everything was perfect, you should not forget that this is a cheap cruise and you can forgive some things in my opinion. The Wi-Fi on board was very expensive. I paid around €70 for a week. Unfortunately, it had a total failure for 2 days. I got money back for 2 those days after having a chat with the reception.
Oh, I've been searching as far as I could.
In a small hidden area of the ship, I found this playroom for children and teenagers. Retro feelings came up.
I've been searching as far as I could, but it doesn't.
This is Cafe, a cafe bar on the cruise ship. I heard that they have the best coffee on the ship. The food on board was average. There was a large selection and most of the food was good. But for me, as a food lover, I was disappointed. Let's walk through the casino. There have been some slot machine games, a blackjack table, and a stage where they played some live music in the evening. Please write me in the comments below what you liked and what you didn't like about this video. Please also tell me what you would like to see in the next videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.